Thinking about turning your primary home into a rental? Here's why it could be one of the smartest tax moves you'll ever make. So when you live in your home for at least 2 out of the last 5 years, you can pay 0 taxes on up to $250,000 of gains if you're single. And if you're married, you can exclude from taxes up to $500,000 from gains. This benefit is available even if you turn your home into a rental. Here's the key. You need to sell the property within 3 years of moving out to qualify for this tax-free benefit. That's 3 extra years to let the property grow in value completely tax-free. As a rental, you can now use all of the same tax strategies of regular rental properties, from business write-offs to taking powerful deductions like depreciation, bonus depreciation, and even consider cost segregation to front-load a lot of these tax savings. These deductions can significantly offset your rental income, reducing your overtax bill down to 0. And here's where it gets even better. You don't have to prorate taxable gains. So even if this property continues to appreciate after you move out and turn it to a rental, those gains can still be tax-free. How amazing is that? The only taxes you'll owe is on the depreciation recapture itself. But even that can be avoided when you sell the property. Let's say your property appreciates more than $500,000. By using a 1031 exchange, you can defer taxes on that gain and roll it into another investment property. That means you're supercharging your real estate portfolio while keeping Uncle Sam out of your pocket. So that's amazing, right? We could save up to $500,000 in taxes and then 1031 to defer the rest. You can do this time and time again. So, it's not a once in a lifetime thing. You can have your home, move out, turn it to a rental, and eventually sell it for tax-free gain. And the new home that you buy, you can do the same thing as well. The restriction to that is you can use this primary home exclusion only once every 2 years. But thereafter, every 2 years, you can do it over and over again. Imagine the amount of wealth that you can build up that's tax-free just in using your primary home. This is just one example of many tax benefits of owning real estate and investing in real estate. A common question I get from people who are turning their home into rentals is about LLCs. Because now that I'm turning it into a rental property, should I put it in an LLC or should I keep it in my personal name? One thing to be very, very careful of is that if you put your rental property into an LLC, there is a possibility that you would lose out on this $250,000 or $500,000 tax-free gain for your primary home. It depends on a lot of factors, and this pitfall does not apply to everyone or every situation, but it is really important for you to talk to your tax advisor, because depending on how title is held, depending on what state you live in, moving it into an LLC could sometimes result in unintended tax consequences where you lose out on that tax benefit. So converting your home into a rental isn't just a smart real estate move, it's also a tax saving strategy with some amazing, amazing perks. So if you're thinking about making this move, let's make sure you're doing it correctly. Leave me a comment or reach out. I love to help. If you like this, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more real estate tax tips.